This launcher's integration is vital for the Greenland deployment.
Agreed. We need these assets operational to secure our Arctic interests amid rising tensions.
While technicians finalize these advanced systems, the geopolitical focus shifts north. As the Arctic ice melts, Greenland's strategic importance grows. The US is focused on key locations like Thule to counter Russian and Chinese influence. As the Arctic ice melts, Greenland's strategic importance grows. The recent deployment of the Danish F-35. As the F-35 comes online, the strategic importance of Greenland's airfields and remote coastline cannot be overstated. Access to Greenland's airfields and ports is critical for projecting power in the Arctic theater, a fact not lost on US intelligence.
The newly acquired intelligence data reveals the full extent of the infrastructure expansion.
These coordinates suggest a deeper... These schematics confirm their subsurface capabilities exceed our previous estimates.
We need to reevaluate the defense posture for Thule Air Base immediately. This data confirms the placement of the new radar systems near Kangerlussuaq.
That puts our assets in the region at risk.
According to these blueprints, the integration points are right here.
We need a closer look at the guidance system component in the hangar.
Verify the connection points on the guidance system.
Connections verified. Crane is ready.
Initiate primary lift sequence. Slow and steady.
Look at the tolerances here. It's 0.2 millimeters out.
That aligns with the vibration fatigue we saw earlier.
Documenting the discrepancy now.
Align the primary connector with the housing notch.
Locked in. Applying torque now. Check the indicator light.
Quality check complete on Alpha Conduit. Readings are stable.
Zulu sector is green. Data integrity confirmed.
Acknowledged. Proceed with system integration.
Secure that connection point. Pylon 4 is showing an open circuit.
It's seated. Rerunning the diagnostic now.
Diagnostics clear. We are green for power up. That's 7 nights of imagery confirmed.
Satellite imagery confirms increased activity. Their naval assets remain concentrated near nukes.
The topographical analysis confirms vulnerabilities in this sector. We must verify system integrity immediately.
Agreed.
Initiating the final systems check now.
Power levels stable. We are within optimal parameters.
We're showing a minor deviation in the primary sensor feed.
Sure. Calibrating the alignment now. Stand by for stabilization.
Run diagnostics on the hydraulic systems.
Diagnostics initiated. All parameters nominal.
Confirming guidance lock is stable.
Data analysis confirms hostile intent. We have multiple inbound threats.
All batteries, this is command. Stand by for engagement orders.
Cross-reference the satellite feed with the latest intelligence on the northern movements.
Running the correlation now, sir. We have an anomaly near the 72nd parallel.
Torque settings confirmed. Moving to the secondary couplings now. Aligning the primary conduit now.
Connection secure. Check the secondary input. Secondary input green.
Hand me the 3/4 inch wrench. We need to secure this structural brace.
Here you go. Make sure it's tight. Stability is critical.
All right, move the sensor crates next. We're on a tight schedule. Copy that. Bringing the next pallet forward. Status check on Bay Alpha. Next pallet, move it up. Copy that. Secure the straps on this one. Straps secure on this side. Confirmed integrity. Anchors engaged. Netting secure. Manifest check complete. This pallet is green for Greenland. Ensure all classified equipment is double tagged. Copy that. Straps secured on pallet 4.
This northern Greenland sector remains vulnerable. We must prioritize air defense capabilities in the region.
If they establish a presence here in Greenland, our entire Arctic strategy is compromised.
Agreed. We need to reinforce Thule immediately.
The strategic importance of Greenland is paramount. Our enhanced presence ensures stability and protects coalition interests in the Arctic.
Our enhanced presence in Greenland secures vital shipping lanes and counters emerging threats in the Arctic region.
The satellite uplink shows green across the board. Copy that.
Initiating the EW systems diagnostic cycle now.
Operation Fishbowl, ostensibly a scientific endeavor, was deeply rooted in Cold War geopolitics.
So this is where they monitored the Soviet movements?
Yes, right here in Greenland, during the height of the Cold War tensions.
The scale of Operation Fishbowl was incredible.
And look at this timeline. The presence lasted decades.
These annotations confirm the escalation risk. If they deploy those assets, it changes the NATO calculus in the region.
The leaked documents confirm the strategic importance of these locations. Control of these Greenlandic sites is paramount to...
The increased activity at Thule and the eastern ports is significant.
Are we confident in the intelligence regarding their subsurface intentions in the Greenland Sea?
These movements challenge the sovereignty agreements.
NATO response time is critical here.
We need confirmation on the submarines in this sector.
They've activated the airfield at Kangerlussuaq.
That gives them refueling access to the entire East Coast. NATO response time is critical.
Establishing a forward operating base here compromises the GIUK gap defense. The current flow models suggest that is their primary objective in the region.
Status update on Thule supply line.
Convoy 3 is holding at the grid reference due to weather.
Acknowledged. Rerouting air support now.
We need clearance for the next wave immediately. The weather window is closing over Thule.
Ramp clear. Bring it in slow. Watch that clearance. Hold steady on the ramp.
All right, pushing the next pallet in now.
Confirming weight distribution for the truck manifest.
Containers secured, boss. Route adjusted for the new drop zone. Let's move.
Keep an eye on the thermal readout. We're looking for uniform heat distribution across these connections. That fluctuation indicates resistance buildup.
Check the conduit connections on your side. Secure.
Proceeding with the final torque sequence on the main housing.
This site here is critical for their Arctic projection. If Greenland falls under their influence, NATO's northern flank is exposed.
As you can see from the map, control of these sites is critical. We are deploying the polar assets immediately.
All teams report status. We need to clear the deck before 0800.
Team B is secure, moving to hangar bay.
Watch your step, keep it moving forward. Ready on the right, push. Secure that pallet, make sure it's tied down tight. Watch the starboard side, watch the starboard side.
Confirmed, moving the pallet now. All clear on deck.